Human interaction is a dance of manipulation. We just have to open our eyes and see who is standing behind and in front of us in a queue at the supermarket, and witness those that do and do not follow the choreography as it's written. Since this dance is written for us and not by us at all. It's not that I don't get the steps I'm expected to follow. I just have a different rhythm to my movements. And this does not only refer to me, as we exist in multitude. There are social codes to everything. And one that is very clear is the ones that we use as visual representation of oneself. Through my journey and search of the self, I have found how the constructed concept of normal is not my suit to bear. To that concept I am odd, strange, and the other. And to that I smile and say, thank you, yes I am. The suit that I bear is meant to disturb the comfortable and comfort the disrupted. How this is meant to disrupt tradition. How this suit plays as a transgressive act of joy. We use objects to express and extend. We decorate our bodies to show others who we are, what we feel, and where we belong. We receive and in return give these objects to show appreciation and love. To give these inanimate objects this power is a strange act, but in the same way as tools in a toolbox have a purpose to fulfill, so does these. They play a part in the transition in the act of connection. These are some of the clues that we find on the search that goes on. These are the extension of the self to connect to others. Even though we are moving forward, the view of gender identity is still very narrow, and within this small scope we search to discover, not to others, discover to keep on searching. As humans, we are in a constant transition. This transition may take its course in what could be described as unlikely ways. But at the end, if we just pause for a second, we can come to understand that this is part of the search. And as we evolve into what we call me, we do this in a way that is modular. We find clues and pieces that we connect to one another. We figure out how these pieces not only connect me to my reality, but relates to others. On this journey, we find that we belong to the ones that change the rhythm, the ones that create their own suits, the ones that are built from the beautiful and strange pieces.